Legislation pretty much just allows any institution to create a law school down here in the Rio Grande Valley.
State Representative Armando Martinez says other places in the state have access to law schools, and he wants to bring the opportunity to the valley.
So many different people have reached out and called and asked about a law school, and they would love to go if they were granted that opportunity.
When students don't have the opportunity, Martinez says the valley loses.
When you provide an opportunity for students that no longer have to travel outside of the valley, you retain a lot of your smart, hardworking students that don't end up in San Antonio.
Compared to other cities, Martinez says the valley is underrepresented.
There's over 800 people per attorney here in the Rio Grande Valley. When you go to other parts of the state, maybe 300 to 400, half of that. So the disparity is large.
At least one other valley lawmaker has a different priority.
In the valley, the medical school is the priority. Doctors, nurses, medical technicians, and not lawyers. Recently, many law schools throughout the state and the nation have reduced their class size because of the economy.
Hinojosa says the medical school could be an economic driver, like the medical center in San Antonio.
Now San Antonio is a $30 billion economic driver, taking care of healthcare for the San Antonio area. We anticipate and expect the same results from the medical school in the valley.
Representative Terry Canales says he supports a full law school program, but a hybrid program could be a creative solution for now.
I don't know that we could support a full-blown law school, but I think a hybrid would be something that would benefit people.
While Martinez is certain a Valley Law School would flourish, making a decision to create one is not so certain.
We're always open to looking at educational opportunities, and so law school is one of those. But there's a lot of study that has to be done because they're very expensive to operate. We'd have to look at the need, of course, and the student demand. Is there enough of a demand in the Rio Grande Valley for it? What would it cost, and where will we find the funding to do it?
Despite the challenges, Martinez says he will continue to fight for a law school.
We're going to try again. We're not going to stop until it gets done.
Working for you in McAllen, I'm Mike Jimenez.